Well, welcome to Gardeners Cottage in Blakeney. We're going to give you a video tour of the house. We're shooting this the last week in August, so house has now just been let out over the summer holiday season, and it's just been turned over now on a Friday afternoon. And you come into the entrance hall here with the stairs going up to the first floor. We're going to take you through to the main entertaining area at the back of the house. So you come down the corridor, turn left, and you enter the kitchen, which is the main room in the house, which is one of its big attractions if you're having family get-togethers or parties. This really does give you a lovely big entertaining space. We've got on the right here the rear courtyard. You can see how lovely and sunny that is. It's gorgeous in the evenings, really catches the evening sun, which sets out over the cast stone wall down towards the quay. If we come back round in here, we've got a central seating area at the end of this room with two large sofas. In that cupboard is a widescreen TV with the FreeSat and the DVD player in there. Got a small desk area here, and then the main garden area is accessed through these doors. We've got twin double doors, well triple French windows basically down the garden aspect of the property. And this leads out into the other big attraction for Gardeners Cottage, which is the private walled sunny garden area. Large dining table, extremely large dining table. You're not seeing many like this. Easily seats all the guests for a large celebration meal. The 4-oven electric Aga, as you see there, is always on, and it really heats this element of the house beautifully over winter period. Can be a little warm as it is today in summer, but the French windows allow you to throw those open and allow some fresh air through. Central island area, to the left of the sink is a dishwasher, double butler sink, loads of storage around both sides of it with drawers for your pots and pans. We've got the fridge freezer there for you, and under here we've also got the wine cooler fridge, so plenty of cold area for storage for your drinks. Another patio door going through onto the gravelled area, and then if I bring you back through into the lounge or snug, you'll see this room's got again seating for 7 or 8 people quite comfortably, more if you've got kids. And then we've got the log burner in here and another TV. So this is another area where the kids or family can come to watch a TV program without disrupting the rest of the family in the kitchen. Looking back out towards the garden from the third of the patio doors, this one isn't usually left open because of the sofa in the way, but you can see the patio area there with a dining set. We've got a chimera and the big barbecue with ample grill space for big parties. Got some music in here if you need it, some games as well. And then we're just going to come back. Again, we're at the front door again, so we've done a full circuit and just back down the corridor. This time we turn right. Just going to show you the downstairs toilet and bath facilities, which is used as the main house toilet for downstairs, but also for this bedroom, which is off the patio area. So again, French windows which can be opened onto a patio area there, and this is a king size low level wooden period bed with the bedsides and lamps. Again, you've got seating area here with wing armchairs for 2 people, and there is again in that cupboard a further TV, so that's the third television area that you can come to if you want to get the kids off watching something without disturbing the rest of the family. And then off this bedroom is the utility area or second prep area for food. You've got another butler sink here, not dishwasher in here. You've got a tumble dryer and a washing machine. The main circuit boards for the house are in this cupboard here. There's a vintage linen press there with spare bits and bobs, a boot store, hanging area, pegs, office area in this courtyard. There's also a washing line that you can put towels and stuff out if you do have to do some washing. The door in the corner goes through to the garage, which is normally locked. We use that as storage for bits and bobs that we need for the turnover. so guests wouldn't normally have access through into the garage. We're going to go back through this bedroom now, and then through to the other principal bedroom downstairs. This is the 4-poster bedroom with the dark wood 4-poster, and then off this bedroom you've got the ensuite bath and shower facilities. So sink, low level toilet, walk-in shower and your bath. So everything you'd need there as the ensuite for one of the principal bedrooms. There is a TV again in this bedroom, so that's the 4th television if you want to watch TV in bed. Not ideal because the post's on a 4-poster, but the seat's there, so if anybody wants to come through and watch a particular TV programme without disturbing everybody, another option. Okay, under the stairs, just to show you, we've got the 2, 3, 4, I think we've got 5 in total high chairs for visiting toddlers. And then we're going to take you upstairs, which is, here we go, access to the further 2 bedrooms. We'll go to the 2 smaller ones first. On the landing here, beautiful sunny aspect, back out over to the High Street in Blakeney, over the Coronation Lane car park. And going back, turning left at the top of the stairs, we've got family bathroom here, low level toilet, wash basin, towel rail and a shower unit over a bath. And that's the bath facilities for these 2 bedrooms. If we just go through to the garden aspect, in this one we've got a single and a double bed. This is a double as opposed to a king size in this room, and this gives you the beautiful aspect out over the garden. So that's your view out of this bedroom. To the left we look towards the High Street, and round to the right, can't actually see it, but that's back lane over towards the left there. I'm going to walk you back through into the 4th bedroom. This is set out as a family room. So in this room we've got a high level king size bed and 2 singles suitable for young kids or teenagers. We've designed this basically to give you the options. If you need to have kids sleeping in with you, it gives you the option to have big family groups staying here. That again looking over the courtyard back towards Coronation Lane. So that's a family room, sleeping 2 plus 2. This is a smaller family room, sleeping 2 plus 1. And then along the corridor into the main upstairs bedroom, which is the biggest of the bedrooms. And here we've got the French bed, which again is a king size, and a single over towards the right, again giving you the option to use this as a family room. So although we're advertising this as a sleeps 12, you have got the option to take it up to a sleeps 14, but it does mean families with smaller kids sharing. But quite often if they're in strange environments, that can give you a good option basically if they're nervous about sleeping in a strange house to begin with. And then the last ensuite upstairs bathroom, which again has the roll top bath, sink, low level toilet and your walk-in separate shower unit, towel rails and some seating. So again, that basically shows you the current facilities that you've got on this property. The property, we're going to do a garden tour at the moment. We'll show you that next, which will basically show you the outside facilities, layout and position of Gardeners Cottage. But one of the big benefits is off-road parking for 4, possibly 5 vehicles on the drive. Would require a little bit of manoeuvring. Hello Ted. We've got 2 dogs with us today. But here we have the driveway on the entrance through the 5-bar gate. This is relatively dog proof. If you've got an escape artist, I wouldn't guarantee it's dog proof, but certainly on this aspect going round to the garden, you've got good fencing and walls on the back aspect, so you can be pretty confident if you're putting your dogs out here that they're not going to get into too much trouble. So we'll do a garden tour next and just walk you around the aspect of Gardeners Cottage and show you that.